Hi and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to take screenshots without pressing any buttons on Xiaomi Mi 9 SE. So first off, we have to go to settings. Here, find additional settings. Go to button shortcuts, take a screenshot, and here choose slide 3 fingers down. Okay, now let's go back to the home screen. And if we take our 3 fingers and move them downwards across the screen, as you can see, we take a screenshot without pressing any buttons. And that's everything for this video. I hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.